Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to fix Linux boot error while booting up or shutting down the system. Well, the simple hack that I have came across is the one that I am going to share with you in this video. Let's restart the system in order to set kernel parameters to our Linux and press escape in order to see a screen like this where you can select boot device. I have installed Ubuntu, so I'm going to select Ubuntu and again press escape. After pressing escape, you will see a screen like this. In here, you need to select the Linux variant that you have installed in your system. I have installed Ubuntu. I will navigate to Ubuntu and press E key. Here I will be able to see the default parameters of Ubuntu. I need to change my Linux default kernel parameters. So I will navigate to the line which starts with Linux. Here we need to add our own parameters that are here you can see the quiet and splash parameters. What I am going to do is add my own parameters here, that is PCIe underscore ASPM equal to off. And now, as you can read at the bottom, it's written to boot with these parameters, click Ctrl X or F10. There is no issue now, but we need to make these parameters permanent. We need to do one more step, that is update these parameters in your grub configuration file. Now in order to make these kernel parameters permanent, we need to save them into our grub configuration file. We are going to open a terminal and type command sudo nano /etc/default/grub. Type in your password. After typing your password, you will see a screen like this in which the thing that you need to find is grub cmd line linux default. These are the default parameters that are set to your Linux, and we are going to add our new parameters, that is PCIe ASPM equal to off. Press Ctrl O and hit enter. Now that we have saved our kernel parameters, let's get out of this screen by pressing Ctrl X. As you can see, we are back to our terminal. Here type sudo update grub. It will take some time to update the configuration file with the changes that we have made just now. After the configuration file is being updated, you will see a message done. After saving these parameters, let us see if this actually works on our next start or not. Let's exit the terminal and shut down the system. Now that our system has been shut down, let's restart and see if we need to again add those parameters or not. we have not encountered the same error screen, so it means that the error has been resolved. I have tried the same procedure on other Linux distros as well, that is Manjaro, MX Linux, Deepin Linux, etc., and it works just fine on all of them. I hope I was of help to you. If you have any other issues, do post in the comment section and I will be happy to help you. Thank you.